Wow, this Gumball machine looks so awesome. Let's try it out. I got purple. Wow, this looks so yummy.
Hey Heidi, what are you doing?
Oh, I got a new Gumball machine and I'm just eating them.
Wow, that's awesome.
Oh, Zidane, you have M&Ms. If I show you a magic trick, will you give me some?
Ooh, you can do a magic trick with my M&Ms? All right, let's try one. Here, do my red one.
All right, let's do this. All right. The M&M is right here, okay?
Okay.
And I'm gonna shake it.
All right.
And it's gonna be a ginormous M&M.
All right, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go!
Wow! It worked!
Wow, look at the M&M!
Look, Zidane, I hear something inside.
Wow, that's so cool. Let's open it from the back. Wow,
M&Ms!
Whoa, that's so cool, Heidi.
Awesome!
Wait, can you do another M&M?
Sure!
All right, here. Try my yellow one.
All right, let's see your yellow one.
All right, I'm gonna put it right here.
All right, the M&M.
All right, let's do this.
Now I'm gonna shake it.
All right. Can I shake it with you?
Sure, no problem.
All right.
And teamwork always works better.
All right, let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Wow! Wow, look at the yellow M&M.
Wow! Let's see if there's anything inside it at the back.
All right, let's see.
Wow! More M&Ms! Now we have a ton of M&Ms!
Yeah, Heidi, that's super cool. All right, Heidi, can you do one more M&M? Blue. All right, I'll do blue. Here you go. Here is a blue M&M.
Thank you.
All right, let's put that in your hands.
The blue M&M.
All right, let's do
Put it on
this.
the table.
All right.
Put it under there.
All right, ready?
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Let's do this. 3, 2,
I think I hear it.
1, go!
Wow! A blue M&M. Blue M&M.
Wow, super cool.
Let's see if there's anything in the back.
Yeah, let's see.
Wow! Look at the M&Ms! Woohoo! Now we have a ton of them!
Yeah, Heidi, including these awesome big M&Ms.
Yeah!
Wow, Heidi, these are super cool.
One day we can collect all of them.
Heidi, can I have one of your bubble gums? I want to show you a magic trick.
A magic trick? Sure, Zidane, no problem. So let's put a coin in and twist it.
All right.
We got a purple one.
All right, let's do it. All right.
Here you go.
All right, Heidi, thank you. Thank you for the purple bubble gum. All right, now close your eyes, okay?
Close my eyes. Okay.
All right, now open.
Wow, Zidane, you have purple hair. I saw you. You put the wig on. That wasn't a magic trick.
Haha, you got it. It's just a wig.
Yeah, Zidane, let's clean up all this candy because we can't have all this candy.
Yeah, Heidi, you're really good at magic. Good job.
Thank you. Let's clean it up.
All right, let's clean all of this up.
Yeah. I think that's enough in one. Let's go to the yellow one.
All right, Heidi, we're done cleaning up. It's time to say bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to put this with the thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Bye.